Crucial set here for the Victorious. Ginawa ng paraan ni Abby.
Ang ganda naman ng move ni Abby. She was first. Nauna siya dun sa bola, kaya sinundot na lang niya. Pero smartly done, linagay niya siyempre sa walang tao.
I like your description. Sinundot.
Yeah.
Yun naman talagang ginawa.
Oh, literally, sinundot na lang niya.
And that's a legal hit. 1-0, make that 1-all. Maribeth Lara scoring that point there for New San Jose.
Si Lara is one of the dependable players of Victorias. Kaya yung mga plays ni Coach Ken, sa kanya rin nakasentro.
Tabla tayo, 1-all, set 4. Janet will set shot. Quick one there. Ganda ng pagkakadig ni Clemente. However, ang sabi ng linesman, that point will go to New San Jose dahil off the block ang nangyari. Apol, anong masishare mo sa amin dyan?
Chickies, hindi lang maka-atake at ng maayos at sunod-sunod itong F2 Logistics dahil pahirapan sila sa kanilang receive. Sabi nga ni Coach, kailangan masipag sila at huwag iasa sa kanilang teammates yung bola. Kailangan daw aggressive sila even on defense. May pagbabanta na ngayon pagsabi ni Coach Mai. Isa na lang, ha? Alexen.
May pagbabanta.
Nakikita ko na si Coach Mai, dinidilatan pa niya ang kanyang team. Pero si Coach Mai, kahit dumilat yan, ang bait pa rin ang dilat niya eh.
Ganda nung pagkaka-report doon ni Apple. Okay, tingnan natin. So reception ang gusto ni Coach Mai. Oh, that's a good reception. Pero may regalo, hindi nga lang sinamantala dito ng New San Jose. Jen Drowley. Again, not the hit that she wants. But she still gets the point.
Yeah, and sayang because nandun si Colleen Bravo but she turned her back on the ball. Na-save ng kakampi niya yun eh. Wala lang sumunod dun sa bola.
Tied at 2 in set 4. Condada with the second ball. Suyat. Janet will go to Cha. Cabriana. Si Maribeth ang pinuntahan and they're up 3-2.
There you go, Lara again delivering the point. Targeting a down-the-line hit. Good combination play. Si Cabriana, ang laki ng smile niya while waiting for the ball to be given to her. Kasi ano siya eh, brave to call on combination plays.
And if you're the setter, you want your hitters to get going.
Look at that. Si Colleen Bravo, agad-agad binawian niya yung error niya with a good block.
And they get a 2-point lead here, 4-2. Si hindi pa rin ang mag-serve para sa New San Jose.
That's a good serve.
Free ball. Chance here for Victorious to score. Oh!
Off position din kasi si Lara noon eh. Tapos yung pagtalon pa niya, hindi niya na time ng maayos yung bola. Kaya yung kamay niya halos dumaplis lang dun sa bola.
May chance pumasok. Di ba yung pectus niyan, minsan nakala mo hindi napapasok, pero itutulak ng net papaloob.
Oo.
But that time around it was short. Oh, great timing by Suyat. Zone 6.
Nicely done again by the Victorious. A good combination play there. Akala mo the ball was going to be a quick to Bravo. Yung pala si Suyat ang may killer.
At dinaanan ang mga depensa.
Yes, nalito kasi yung blockers eh.
2-point lead here for New San Jose. Lillette trying to go with a deception hit there, but it backfired.
No, now the Cargo Movers have to regroup, they have to talk, and they have to stop the Victorious if they want to win this match.
Victoria's up by 3. Yellow shirts. Oh, powerful hit by Gendrauli, targeting zone 6.
Kita mo, galit si Gendrauli when she hit that ball. Tama na.
May diin,
May diin.
may purpose.
Ganda ng set ni Serafica. Perfect hit, perfect approach kasi.
Good target there. They're down by 2, talking about the Cargo Movers. Quick one for Bravo, going to the open space on the left.
At yun, parang ang nangyari doon, nalito ulit yung blockers ng Cargo Movers. They weren't really gonna go up for Bravo kasi in the past 2 plays, nagko-combination play. But at that particular time, si Cabriana called for a quick play, walang nag-block.
7-4. Bravo serving. They're up by 3. That's a service error. Something that we've been mentioning at the start of the coverage na kinakailangan iwasan ng Victorias.
Yes. Kanina, sobrang lakas nung services ni Bravo. This time, hindi siya ganun kalakas, pero wide.
Rania Musa will serve. It's 5 serving 7. Cabriana setting up Suyat. Janet Ulilet. At ang depensa ni Clemente, hindi pumasok yung bola, lumabas. So that's a point for the Cargo Movers.
Aside from the fact na ang bilis at malakas ang bola ni Lilet Mabayad, si Clemente has to face the court para yung bola niya pasok when she goes up for a block.
I think the angle was going towards the, sa
outside.
labas.
Right.
Oh!
Tumama sa katawan ni Lara yung bola.
She wanted to evade the ball.
Oh, iiwasan niya yung bola kasi alam niyang long.
Pero siguro late na yung decision to evade. Ayun, tinamaan tuloy. We are tied at 7.
Big smile there from Musa.
Good serve. And Condada was calling Suyat. Telling her, get that second ball. But it backfired. F2 Logistics namang ng isa. First technical timeout ng set number 4.
Gendrali doing a good job for her team. Kaliwete, mahirap i-block. Ang lakas pa ng bola.
Musa will serve. They're up by 1. Suyat. They'll get another crack. Jamila ulit. And may nangyari sa net. Pabor pa yan sa New San Jose.
Yes, net infraction there from Ali Maranyo. So now Suyat is going to serve.
We are tied at 8. Great numbers for Jamila. Utakan lang yan, sabi ni Janet.
What a dink there. Yes.
Nagmamadali siya.
Oh.
Meaning, she saw the opening and baka biglang mabasa ng New San Jose.
Ang ganda nung ginawa ni Serafica. More of that, please.
9-8. Ladies in yellow up by 1. Imbo will score.
Pinawi naman agad ng Victorias yung error nila.
So tabla muli tayo sa Siyam. Set number 4, mga kaibigan.
The blockers of the Cargo Movers have to be aggressive kasi nasa harap si Clemente and Lara, so you can expect combination plays.
Cruz. Great defense by Lara. And equally great defense by Maranyo, pero lumabas lang yung bola.
And good communication there by the Victorias. Hinarangan talaga ni Lara si Condada para hindi niya na habulin yung bola.
10-9. Victoria up by 1. Good serve there.
Yeah, service ace.
So, if my memory serves me right, medyo marami-rami na yung alas na pinapalo itong si Cabriana.
Oo, marami-rami na. Tsaka ang ganda ng mga calls niya ng plays. And as we see, kasi kanina sinabi na nga natin, hindi na natin babanggitin yung mga good services eh.
Ay, oo nga. Oo nga. So, that's a service error by Shira, but they're still up by 1.
Yes.
Janet will serve. It's 10 serving 11. And she returns the favor.
Okay, service errors from both teams. Now Clemente will go up for Victorias. Let's see, is her ball gonna go in?
They're up by 2, 12-10. Malul not smiling anymore. Medyo game face na yan.
Nice serve.
Janet will go to Abby. Soft one.
Good coverage.
Meantime, Cindy will score.
That was an angled hit there from Imbo. Napakaganda. Killer zone din yan eh. Yung zones between 4 and 5.
So lumaki ulit ng tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng New San Jose.
So that means they're doing a good job.
Yes.
Communicate na sila. Maganda yung calls ng plays nila as the Novos dito sa Invitational.
And they're keeping the errors at a minimum.
Minimum, yes.
14-10. Miss hit coming from the captain. The mga New San Jose ng apat will zero in on Coach Mai.
Kaya-kaya nyo naman. Len, dumidex ako sa gilid. mo nang isipin kung ano-ano man yung kanina. Yun lang, yun dyan. Yung moment na yan, hindi tayo mag-iisipan ng ano. Bawiin yung mag-isip pa kayo maganda. Isipin. Nag-aasahan, tapos parang hindi na naman kayo... Tara! Mag-isip ba? Mag-isip ba?
Sabi ni Coach, ay nanggigigil kayo. Itong babaeng ito, kailangan na siguro bang mag-beast mode ba ito? Bili mo, 8 attacks, 4 blocks, 12 digs. Abby Maraño, sabi natin, not the most productive numbers,
Yes.
but she doesn't mind as long as they get the win.
Yes, as she does her job. She's a team player. She brings out the energy na kailangan ng cargo movers. And, you know, volleyball is a team sport.
The same way na ang coverage ay team sport.
Yes.
Kaya ibabato namin kayo kay Apple David.
Alam niyo, fierce kung titignan sa court itong si Abby Maraño. Pero alam niyo ba, sa practice, sa bago niyang team, medyo nahihiya pa daw siyang ilabas yung kanyang ugali talaga off the court. Kasi pagdating daw sa laro, automatic yan. Kahit pa saan mo siya dalhin, iisa lang ang ilalaro niya. Pero ang laking bagay daw na may katuwang siya dito sa team. Si Chakus, very familiar to her. Pero maganda daw dito, hindi nila kailangan solohin o hindi sila kailangan solohin magdala itong team na to. Lahat daw sa team na to ay nagtatrabaho. Once bigyan mo ng bola, susuklian naman itong binibigyan mo.
Salamat Apple at pagpasensya nyo na yung boss ni Apple. Nag-concert yata ito kagabi. Dahil... But good work Apple, good work as always. You need a partner.
Yes.
Si Batman may Robin.
Alam mo, yun
Diba?
yung...
si Abby may Chaco.
Oo, yun nga yung sabi ni Apple David kanina. Dito kasi pag tinitingnan mo sila maglaro, andyan si Lilette Mobayan, andyan si Jen Rowley, si Chacruz, of course, nandyan si Abby Maraño. Ang daming pwedeng puntahan ng bola.
Yes. And as they grow older in the sport, at dito sa ating commercial league na ito, ay matitindi pa yan. Titindi pa yan. Kaya nga nagpapasalamat po kami sa Filipina Superliga sa management nito sa bumubuo for giving this beautiful platform para yung mga manlalaro natin ng college level, hanggang dito mailabas na yung kanilang galing sa volleyball.
That's right.
15-13. Lamang ng dalawang New San Jose. They'll try again. At nagawa ng paraan ni V Mayon. It's a good ball. Bravo. They go to the back.
Long rally.
Suyat. Maraño was there. Trap. A great rally we're seeing here. But there's a whistle. That point will go to the cargo movers dahil tinamaan ng net.
Tinamaan daw ng net. I thought the violation was she crossed over
Was
to
it
the
under?
other. Yeah, although I didn't quite see the signal of the referee.
Parang ang sabi ng ref tumuro sa
There you go. Oh,
sa
nag-cross
net.
siya.
Okay. There you go. 15-14. Suyat. Powerful hit. It's in. According sa ating line official. Lamang ng dalawang New San Jose. Second technical timeout ng set number 4. 16-14. We'll be right back. Munti ka mahulog sa upuan mo.
Kontik na ako mahulog.
Bakit? Bakit?
Kasi ang ganda nung save ni Condada, kaya lang walang kumuha nung na-save niyang bola.
Sayang effort.
Yes, sayang yung effort.
At dahil doon, nakakuha ng 15th point ang cargo movers sa set 4.
So Lara takes a breather and Cabriana as well.
A much-deserved break
Yes.
for Maribeth Lara. 12 attacks, 1 ace for Danica. Another great day at the office. Gual will set this one up. Great hit there, but Maraño, ganda ng pagkakadig doon. Also, an equally good dig coming from Cindy. Gual. Soft touch. To the back. Musa with a strong hit, asking for a touch.
No
Pero
touch
wala.
was called. Cha wants to appeal, but she changed her mind.
Hindi na.
Hindi na lang.
Sarado ang Supreme Court.
O sometimes kasi kailangan ingat ka rin eh. Kundi baka bigyan ka ng yellow card for
Ayan.
excessive complaining.
Mahirap mabigyan ng yellow card.
Oo.
Medalya will serve. They're up by 2, 17-15. Sa net, nanalo sa joust si Mabayan.
Mahirap makatapat sa net si Mabayan dahil alam niya talaga kung anong dapat gawin pag nandyan sa net.
16 serving 17 and Musa will serve. Set count naman po dito ang Cargo Movers 2-1. Good serve by Rania. Free ball ang ibabalik ni Rosal. Abby. Kual will set this one up to Jamela to the back. That one's out.
There was no touch there. Walang wrist action si Suya.
Tabla tayo sa 17. So hanggang dito, hindi natin alam kayo na mapupunta ito. Will we have a
Oo.
fifth set? Or will the Cargo Movers end it at 4? Musa again. That's a service error. So that point will go to New San Jose.
Of course, the victorious rejoice kasi free point yun eh.
18 serving 17. Suyat will serve. It's good. Serafika. Mabayad. At ang laki ng spasyo. Too big of a space at hindi nagawa ng paraan dyan ni Medalya.
Yun yung nagiging problem nila eh. Nagtitinginan sila kung sinong kukuha ng bola. Kaya ang sinabi kanina ni Coach Ken, mag-usap kayo, agawan sa bola. Huwag titingnan bumagsak.
Tabla sa 18. Suyat from the back. Janet will go to Abby. And si Abby telling the first referee, nakita mo yun ha? Tinamaan yung hit ko. That's a point for F2 Logistics.
Kita natin, medyo beast mode na itong si Abby, rallying the troops.
So they're up by 1, 19-18. Lidet, great day at the office as well. Cabriana will set this one up. That's a combination. Utak mode, si Janet. Regalo para kay Abby. And the beast mode is on.
Nakita mo doon, si Abby nakita niya na regalo yung bola, so medyo tinulak niya si Serafika. Akin to, pinalo niya. Pasok.
Sana makita ito. Makikita natin dito.
Ayan.
Alis dyan.
Oh, may konting tabig.
And the beast mode.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. Action continues. F2 Logistics up by 2. Cindy down the line. It's good.
Nicely done there by Imbon, not giving up.
Very deceiving talaga ang frame ni Cindy.
Oo.
And it's nice to see such a petite frame hit so hard.
Right. Ito, not so petite, but ang ganda ng... Hindi siya kasi masyadong maliit.
Yeah.
Kaya maganda rin yung ginagawa ni Capriana.
Oh, great pancake from Cruz. Ay, hindi pala. Wala na. 4 touches already.
Si Capriana, smart. She
Yeah.
directs her ball sa kung saan yung weakest na receiver.
Nagbabadya ang 5 sets dito. Chicky P. We are tied at 20.
Alam mo, tina-target niya kanina pa si Len Portel, na libero ng Cargo Movers.
And may psychological approach yun.
Oo.
You're targeting the best dapat sa reception. At the net. Cabriana will go to Imbo. Janet will go to Cruz. Abby to the back. Condado was there. Cabriana once more. Quick one!
Whoa!
Clemente!
What a play there from both teams, actually. They had good floor defense, but exclamation point from Clemente.
And they're up by 1 point, 21-20. Good rally. Quick one by Malu.
Ang ganda. Kasi matangkad si Clemente, kaya dapat medyo mataas yung sets niya para hindi aabutin ng blockers.
Quick one by Maranyo. Balik sa kanila bola. Chat. Cabriana once more to Cindy. Oh, great dig. Cruz. Cabriana, saan siya pupunta? kay Lara. Ganda ng depensa ni Maranyo.
You know, Medalla was there. She could have gotten that ball. I guess the ball from Jack Cruz was just too fast. Oh, I'm sorry. It was from Maranyo, rather.
Great defense shown by Abby.
Yes, good blocking there.
Tabla tayo sa 21. Good serve by Janet. They go to Maribeth off the deflection. They'll score again.
Hindi naloko yung blockers doon ng Cargo Movers, but the direction of their blocks lang were facing outside kaya lumabas din yung bola. Of course, aside from the fact na malakas yung bola.
Victorious up by 1, 22-21. More of set 4. Jen Rowley. Ganda ng dikto ni Suyat, or reception. Yellow shirts. Oh, that's not a good set coming from Janet. However, buhay pa rin ang bola. Napatayo si Chiqui Pablo.
Oh nga, that was a good save by Lara.
Cross court ni Abby Maranyo. And that's good. Tied at 22.
This is such a close game. Both teams are doing a good job.
Wow. So, something has got to give.
Yeah.
Who and when, we don't know.
Sinong unang mapapagod? Yun ang tanong.
Cabriana. Lara ang pinuntahan and they'll get the lead again, 23-22.
Sundin lang nila yung sinasabi ni Coach Ken. Go to the weakest spot. Zone 6.
Cindy Ball will be serving. They're up by 1, 23-22. Crucial reception. Nope, that's a service error. We are tied at 23. This is one super game we're covering right now, Chiqui.
Yeah, super game. Kahit tayo 23-23. Pati yung ating audience dito sa arena.
Nadadala.
Oo, nakatayo na rin eh.
Great serve by the captain. Nagawa ng parami Lara para umabot sa kabila. Pero si Musa, pinapunta ang bola dito kay Imbo. Cindy could not save it. 24-23, Cargo Movers up by a point. It's match point for F2 Logistics assistant to Coach Ken.
Okay. Pasok muna. Hulin. Pasok. Be quick. Porsyento dito. O, ito lang ha. Pasok ka, Tres. Spike ko dito si Camela. O, si John Rolling, blocker mo. O, diretso lang yun. Go!
Match point partner for Cargo Movers.
And you know who's serving? It's Jack Cruz, and she can deliver a very hard serve. So kailangan aggressive talaga, bantayan ang floor areas ng Victorias.
The captain will serve.
Here goes that floater.
That's a good
Regalo.
one at the net. Musa, back-to-back points for Musa, ending this one 25-23. 4 sets. It took F2 Logistics partner 4 sets para mapatiklop ang pumalag na New San Jose Builders Victorias.